After 6 weeks, prosecutors in the Karen Read case rested their case today. Tomorrow morning, the defense will begin its presentation. As WBZ's Kristina reports, prosecutors left jurors with Read's own words to think about.
Your Honor, the Commonwealth rests.
Prosecutors are done presenting their evidence to the jury in an attempt to convict Karen Read in the death of John O'Keefe. The final thing jurors saw Thursday?
I thought, could I have run him over?
Another interview clip of Karen Read's, played before the jury was sent home for the day.
And then when I hired David Yannetti, I asked him those questions the night of January 29th. Like, David, what if, I don't know, what if I ran his foot over? Or what if I clipped him in the knee and he passed out or went to care for himself and he threw up or passed out? And David said, yeah, then you have some element of culpability.
WBZ legal analyst Catherine Loftus says these clips have played a significant role in the second trial against Read.
How consequential some of her statements in these interviews that she has given to various media outlets may just be in sort of the entirety of the Commonwealth's case when the jury looks at them. Most, sort of interesting is that there is a little bit more context to that clip.
Context the jury can see only if Karen Read chooses to testify.
Will you testify?
TBD. The prosecution's final witness was crash reconstruction expert Judson Welcher, who sparred with defense attorney Robert Alessi on cross-examination.
Well, let's go to the next slides and then
Sir,
maybe
I
we'll
will determine which slides we go to on my questioning.
We took the, I'm sorry, we took
Sir,
the vehicles.
please don't interrupt.
Hold on.
Your Honor, he keeps referencing my hand and saying I'm doing something when I'm not, and I think that's distracting to the jury.
Now it's the defense's turn. Their case is expected to take up to 2 weeks.
I feel very good, thank you.
In this second trial, the state called 30 fewer witnesses and did not call Brian Albert, Brian Higgins, or former trooper Michael Proctor.
Thank you. How are you today?
Which our expert says is attorney Hank Brennan backing the defense into a corner.
Not only is he trying to prove his case for the Commonwealth, but also trying to box the defense into, maybe making it a little bit harder to present this third-party planting theory without all of those witnesses being called in the case in chief.
Testimony picks back up Friday morning at 9:30 with the defense presenting its case. Karen Read says their first witness is a man named Matthew DeSogra. He's another digital expert who specializes in car data. In Dedham, Kristina Rex, WBZ News.
And